let's start. And I've already played it a while ago, so we will start on Hell 2, Hell 3 rather. And let's start. This Dream Hunter doesn't have any special effects or other abilities, so let's go. Once again, we will start on the night on the graveyard, and we will scout for syllables. Just find something that you can sell, and don't forget to upgrade your bed. Oh no, there's nothing there. And let's start building. Nice, we have another red panda. Then let's upgrade our door. And let's start. After the door, you must upgrade your bed until the warm bed, so you can generate a so gold. Also watch the other teams. Then after that, you upgraded your bed to warm bed. We're gonna start focusing on the consoles. Just build just build 3 consoles, and just update. Wait until 600 gold, then just upgrade the console to level 2. I think that is the most optimized placement of the consoles. Just don't forget the repair buttons. Next, just like that. Next, we will build some copper mines for the extra gold. After you completed the 3 consoles, then upgrade your door. Just like that. We're gonna wait. In this case, our base have only 24 spaces, so 10 for the consoles, 4 for the repair bench, and the miscellaneous, the weapons, the box. And we have only 4 spaces left for the copper mines. Then after we successfully upgraded our door, let's build our 10 consoles. And let's build some repair bench. Just like that. After you completed your base, upgrade your weapons. Deal the bubble shooter, bubble machine rod, bubble launcher rod. And then the Dream Hunter is on the level 5, so we will start upgrading our doors. We'll just wait for another 4096. Gold for the door. Sell these ones. And just like that, have our door done. Next is our bed. 16 gold, just click for that. Then we're gonna focus on the consoles. As you can see, at level 6 or 7, the hunter will have a upgrade. Sometimes it's a sledgehammer, the most annoying upgrade that, and you can just sell everything. And let's focus to our base. We're the only one left, so we can finish upgrading our weapons. And we're close to 1496 gold lightnings. You can see this is the best thing that you can roll on the dice, on the box rather, because it regenerates gold as long as your teammates are died. And again, just sell your copper mine, replace it with a diamond mine for the easier placement. Don't upgrade it like this, it's just cost too much. Like instead, upgrade your bed, then save gold for another level of the door, and a bed. Then we can upgrade our weapons again until the red ones. Now just exorcising bubble machine. Then we're all set. I'm gonna upgrade the consoles because we're so much far ahead than the William Hunter. And look, you cannot reach the door, so much more time for us to build our bases. If you wanna speedrun this game, just upgrade your weapons. Just like that, we have another golden mine, diamond mine. Just upgrade your consoles, then build another diamond mine. I will stop upgrading these consoles until I can fully upgrade this by bringing door. Just build another diamond mine. Start. And upgrade our consoles until the blue ones, the QS5 game zone in console, because the hunter cannot reach the door, cannot break the door. So let's just upgrade this door. As soon as reach level 8, you can upgrade your weapons to the red ones and kill demon lasers. And just sell that for the diamond mine. And let's upgrade our consoles. Just like that, we're winning. The multicolor gold mine will generate a 1024 gold coins per second, which will give us more gold to upgrade our consoles to PS5. Just like that, we win. Thank you for watching.